Hi there, friends. Welcome to Deepak's kitchen. And tell me, are you ready for a silky smooth, tangy, and outrageously delicious flavor of five-star Indian dining? Today, we are cracking the code on the hotel style Aloo Bhaji and Puri, the kind that makes you close your eyes and say, just wow. Forget dry, blunt potatoes. This quick recipe delivers a vibrant, creamy, slightly zesty curry that's famous across the best hotels and roadside dhabas. It's that perfect balance of flavor will make you forget everything. So let's get ready. Let's see how this is done. So if you can see here, I have taken a kadai. To this, I'm going to first add some oil. Say it around 3 tablespoons of oil is more than enough. When the oils get heat, we'll add some half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a half a teaspoon of jeera, and this is the gram dal, around a teaspoon of it. And saute and fry until it's golden brown in color, and make sure the mustard seeds crackle. Then only it will release us its optimum flavor. Look, now this is perfectly ready. At this time, we'll add some green chilies chopped, say around 5 to 6, and some curry leaves, say 2 or 3 strands of curry leaves for this. And then we'll add the onions. You can see here I've taken nearly 100 grams of onions. You can see I chopped the onions roughly. That's very important. Don't chop it finely. The onion should be big chunks. Now add the onions and saute until the onions just get translucent. Don't cook it all the way through. It needs to have some crunch in it, and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now look, the onions just sweated. That's it. Now we'll add some turmeric. And here comes the magic. That's the salt. That's more important than anything else. So I'm adding a teaspoon of it, or how much ever you want, and give it a nice mix and saute for about another 1 minute. And here you go, the onions just sweated. At this time, look, this is the most important thing. That's the fried gram powder. In Kannada we say it kadale pappina puri. So what I have taken in some 2 to 3 tablespoons of fried gram and mix it to a powder, and then we'll add a little bit of a water and make it a slurry. So make sure you mix it well, and there should be no lump should be there. You can see here it's perfectly mixed. There are no lumps in this. Now we'll add this mixture to the onions, and we'll add required amount of water to adjust the consistency. Make sure you add the hot water and give it a nice mix. So soon after you add the water, now give it a nice mix, or else there is a chance it will get stick. So you can see here now it's perfectly done. You can see the consistency is perfect for the bhaji. At this time, this is a secret ingredient of mine and it's totally optional. I'm taking a veg stock cube, which is easily available in all sort of convenience stores. If you have it, then add, or else you can completely skip it out. Or else you can add some aromatic powder to this, even that will work. Now give it a boil and mix it nice and good. When it's perfectly boiled, now at this time we'll add the boiled potatoes. I have taken 2 boiled potatoes, medium sized, and I have boiled that, and I'm going to mash it roughly and going to add this into the mixture. That's it. Now give it a nice mix. You can see here the masala and the onion should get infused perfectly into this sabzi. Now close the lid and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes on a medium to low flame. You can see here after 2 minutes the masala is perfectly cooking, the bhaji is perfectly done. You can already smell the aroma in the kitchen itself. To the final touches, I'm just going to add some chopped coriander leaves, say around 1 teaspoon of it. That's it. If you want a little zesty thing now, you can squeeze in half of a lemon. That's it. You've seen how simple it is to create this authentic famous flavor, right? Trust me, your taste bud deserves this elevation. If you loved uncovering the secret to this creamy golden marvel, please like the video, share it with your fellow friends, and will you see you in next session. Till then, Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara.